Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I actually have a Chrome extension that basically have a lot of tools in it. Like all of those days I have been sharing multiple sites with like lot of utility tools. But today I have this Chrome extension actually, and it has a lot of things built into it, like text tools, logarithm generators, all of those things, image tools, css and coding tools for you, colors, social media tools, and a lot of other things. Okay, so let's just dive into the video and see what it is actually offering in all of those sections. Okay, so let's just dive into the video. So as you can see, I am in the web page right now, and it really has a like odd name, and the URL is also odd. The URL is 10015.io. Yeah, it is like that. I don't know why, but it is like that. And the name of it is 100L5. Yeah, 100L5 tools. I don't know what. It, oh, it's one inverted actually. Yeah, it's 10015 tools.com. Yeah, whatever. So you can click on explore tools, it will have these sections, and here you can see text tools, image tools, blah blah blah, all of those miscellaneous tools. And if you click on section, it will take you to the section, like one button, it will take you to the section. And here you can see like all of those tools that you can have over here: case converter, lorem ipsum generator, letter counter, blah blah blah, a lot of things. And you can open it here as well, so you can use this site to generate, like use all of these tools, or you can use their plugin over here. And these have the same tools right over here, okay, as well, right? Here are the text tools, image tools, miscellaneous tools, strong password generator, list random, a lot of things, QR generator, barcode generator. That's a great thing to have, to be honest. Now let's see what we are getting. So in the text section, we are having like case converter, lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum, obviously we need lorem ipsum a lot of times. So lorem ipsum, letter counter, text and handwriting converter. Okay, text to handwriting converter. That's kind of a great to have, to be honest, but whatever. Multiple wordspace remover and Google Font Pair Finder. That is a great thing to have, to be honest, because we need these a lot of times. And it has a great UI overview, whatever. Now in the image section, image tools, we have like general image converters. Wait, let me go to the home site and show it to you there. Okay, image cropper, filter, resizer, average color finder. Wow, that's a great thing. Image color extractor, image color picker, SVG blob generator. That's a great thing. Pattern generator, photo sensor, SVG PNG converter, image based 64 converter, whatever. Okay, in CSS we have clip path generator. I always use like a clip pathing website. I have actually mentioned like featured that before as well, but whatever. Yeah, loader generator. Loader is a great thing. Background pattern, cubic bezier. Yeah, now this is a great thing because bezier curve is something that we have to guess around. Like having a visual representation of it will like help you a lot, to be honest. Here it is in CSS bezier curve. Here is a bezier curve, right? Wait, oh, you can't do it by this. Okay, you have to do it like this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now it's looking great, to be honest. Wow, right? This will create a spring animation. Yeah, that's the thing, and you can copy it from here, whatever. Let's see others. Triangle, box shadow, border radius, glass morphism. Yeah, that's a great thing. Gradient generator. Okay, encoding. What do we have? Code to image converter. This is for this thing we always use carbon.sh now. It's built into it. Like great man. Here we have a React Native shadow generator. That's also great. URL slugs. Oh, great. Basic security coder. Okay. HTML encoder decoder. URL encoder decoder. Wow. HTML minifier. CSS. HTML, CSS, JavaScript minifier. We always have to have this, right? Like we always use this. And another thing is the linting. We always search for lints as well, linters as well. Though it isn't here, but still, whatever they're providing is great, to be honest. MD5, encrypt, decrypt, a lot of type of encryption, decryption, JSON reviewer. That's built into it. That's great. JWT encoder decoder. Oh, that's great. Whatever. Then in color tabs, we have hex RGBA converter, RGBA to lot of converters, color shade generator, color mixer, color shade generator. That is a great thing. Yeah, not too many shades, but yeah, shades. Obviously, shades. Then we have a color filters. In social media tools, we have Instagram filters, Instagram post generator, Instagram photo downloader. That's a great thing. tweet Tweet generator, tweet image converter, YouTube thumbnail generator, Vimeo thumbnail, open graph meta generator. Open graph meta generator is important, and I have actually featured one tool before, but yeah, it's needed. And in the miscellaneous tools, we have like all of the strong random password generator, list randomizer, QR, and barcode. So a lot of tools, lot of useful tools built into one platform, and you can access it just like this. Okay, just like this. I think this hand is mine is not visible in the frame, to be honest. Yes, just like this. Yes. Okay, so that's it for this site. I know you will be using it from now on, because how convenient it is, right? So obviously I know you will be using it. I will be using it as well. So yeah, that's about it about this whole video. My light just flickered, I don't know why. Whatever, so that's it about this video, about this site. Links will be in the description to download it. And rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the great tools, like this is a whole toolbox, not just a single tool. This is a whole toolbox like this. Please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.